People. It's another weekend, and that means another hike. And the difference from this weekend compared to the previous one is that it's about 20 centigrade difference in temperature. Today it's about 3-4 minus, and the previous one it was way below 20. So this will be rather more pleasant, I'd say. Yeah, I guess that's the introduction for today. So join me. There is something you need to think about when you are walking along the ski tracks, and that is to not step into them without skis on. That will ruin the track and you will get a lot of angry people after you. So show respect and walk outside of the exact track. It's quite easy to see and feel that this weekend is way warmer than the previous one. I'm way too deep in clothes. I should have dropped one layer. Sweaty. because walking on snowshoes is definitely exhausting, but if I didn't have it, it would be almost impossible, because I would fall like half a meter down in the snow for each step. Instead of now I fall 15-20 centimeters maximum, which is great. Again, I'm heading off another path made by skiers, and I've guessed that I tried to go with skis up here too, but I'm not going to be that respectful up here, as it's way much more narrow, and yeah, maybe I'll even have to take off my snowshoes to be able to hike up here. I haven't said this, but this very mountaintop is called the Fiddler's Mountain, translated. Although I wonder why it got its name, the Fiddler's Mountain. Nicely seated in the snow. Snow. It's been a long time since I made some food on the fire, but today I brought some sandwiches that I thought to make proper grilled cheese, as they say in America. But I need to get the fire going first. And with some dry, this is actually some wood from when I renovated the basement. The spare wood, scrap wood, really. It's really dry and it burns quickly. Perfect to light a fire with. And of course, I brought wood to get it going, to have it keep burning. Everything is frozen, so it's actually quite easy to chop off pieces to get the fire bigger. These have now been on here for quite a while, and there is no way to know if they're done or not, if not to open them. So that's the smoke. I will give it a shot, and I have to use my knife because this is hot. This is homemade bread. I had cheese, Norwegian cheese, and I had tomatoes on. The cheese is melted on this one, and it's warm. Surprisingly enough, it's warm. You can see the cheese is melted. Wow. Let's give it a try. Perfect for my taste. Bit crispy bread, melted cheese and tomatoes. Brilliant. It's simple, good, and rather healthy hiking food, actually. And it doesn't cost much. Quite cheap. Quite cheap indeed. After a couple of weeks with intense cold, touching way below -20 Celsius, we are now in the second day of plus degrees warmer weather. So things are melting and snow are dropping from the trees and rooftops and such. But the upcoming week we're expecting -12, 15 Celsius again. I will never understand this. So I'm stumbling my way back to the car in hopes of getting home, as the roads up here by car is quite slippery now because we had the warm weather. But I have my hopes up. Anyways, I wanted to thank you once again for joining me on this adventure onto the Fiddler Mountain. And if you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more adventures in Norway and maybe other countries as well, subscribe and hit the notification bell too. That would make me very, very happy. Yeah. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on my next adventure.
Even if you've never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.